Mouse not working because of battery. So you can kind of see what's happening here, because you can physically not click these buttons.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're just going to say this is going to be 50-50. So $100. Left a message, but I'm going to go ahead and order the battery anyways. This is like the 6th time this year I've replaced this battery. Unless you're doing something like development or like just making like YouTube stuff, like, there aren't really like people that do what we do anymore. And the people that do this anymore are just like, yeah, the good old days are gone. Simplicity of things is no longer existent. Tell you this, one thing I don't miss is like the HP laptops from like the early 2000s. Like, we took one apart one time to replace a CMOS battery on the motherboard, and we actually counted the screws. There were 130 screws in the laptop. 130. Like, they definitely didn't want those bad boys coming apart. That's restricted. Alright, so now we wait for a callback on this one. We update number 17 to waiting on customer response. I'm going to put it on shelf 2.